Hey, what's up everybody? This is Daniel Landsman and this is day 31 of 50 days of data. Really appreciate you guys watching my stuff so far up to this point. Hopefully you've gotten a lot out of it. I want to say thank you as well to everybody who's commented, liked, and shared my stuff. Today we are going to be speaking about computer vision. So this is a really interesting space. It's hot and emerging. A lot of venture funds are throwing money at this and have been for the last couple of years. There aren't a ton of people who are actually working on this. I think that there should be more. It's something that's going to be extremely valuable moving forward. And I wanted to just give you guys a little glimpse into what it looks like, how it could be used potentially, and on top of that, just discuss, basics about what it is. So computer vision is taking video or photograph information and inputting it into a computer system or algorithm in order to parse it in a way so that you can extract information out of it. So this is super important when it comes to automated cars or other types of platforms that say like, hey, here's the foot traffic in this particular location, which is useful for governments, for instance, to understand like, do we need to make the road wider, or maybe we should put a stop sign here, and stuff of that nature. On top of that, you can try to use a computer to figure out like what something is in order to classify it. So you take a picture of your cup of coffee that you're drinking in the morning and you show it to the computer, basically like with Google goggles or something, and it'll say, oh, that's a cup of coffee. The issues right now with this type of technology is when things look similar and the training data sets are not used in a way such that they make unique distinctions between things. I think that I might have spoken about this before, but you can confuse a blueberry muffin with a spotted cat. And that's not really helpful for, what we actually need. So there needs to be some more advancement in the way that this stuff works, but when it actually does work, it's going to be super useful. I can imagine a world where there's a search engine for videos, and it's not that you're searching for the title of the video. You search for man juggling, and the best video of a man juggling will actually be shot to the top instead of searching off of the text title or the hashtags or the classifiers. This is going to help clean up data a lot from my perspective because, as I mentioned before, there's just so much data out there and it's unstructured, and you can have dirty data issues, but with computer vision, you can use that in order to make it so that the data is less noisy and it's cleaner to be parsed. So computer vision is definitely super, super important. I think it's something that you guys should be paying attention to. If you're not, I still think, as I mentioned with a lot of other things, it's early days, but, there's a ton of, advancement happening, and, that should be something to consider moving forward. So if you guys like what I'm saying, feel free to like my video, share it. I really appreciate all the support. And if you guys want to talk about it more, feel free to get in touch. I'm not shy. Tomorrow, I'm going to be speaking about the audio data that is going to be coming out about, Google Home and Amazon Echo and stuff like that, which is another really interesting emerging category of data. So have a great rest of your day, guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.